guys, today my video is how to use metro. Now I'm staying next to metro station. You can find it with such letter M. And now in this video I will tell you in general how to use metro, how much it costs and everything else. So if you are interested, stay with me and watch this video. So in metro station you have such kind of machines. You have these machines just to put money on the card, and you have these machines to buy any kind of tickets for Kyiv. I switched it already to English. It's usually in Ukrainian, but you can switch to English, and you can see that you can buy trips, you can purchase the car, travel pass and other things. And you can pay by card. It accepts cards and you will get the card. If you don't want to buy the card, if you because I don't know, I don't have card by myself, I'm not using it so much often. You have card, just physically bank card. You can use such yellow one. This is manual. You just scan the card and you can go bank card, credit card, any card, whatever. All others black. This is for exactly for this kind of card. But if you don't have this card, you have just bank card, normal one. You can scan yellow and it will go. The central metro stations, not central, something in downtown, they're always very deep, and you really will go for a long time on this kind of stairs, and it will take long time to go there. The stations which is in residential areas and a little bit far from downtown, they're all usually just a few steps down and you arrive. Here you can see the signs in English and in Ukrainian. Our metro somehow is easy to understand. It's not really something complicated. You pay one time and you go and do whatever you want. So you can stay even one day unless you want to go out. Here you can also see how the metro scheme looks like, and decide if you need to change the lane. You can see where you need to change it. It's all in Ukrainian and English, so you will understand this good. And if you want to get a train, you don't really need to wait for a long time. It's usually something like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, or maybe 5 minutes in evening, in late evening, but you will get the train. On some central trains, central metro stations, you have a way to change the lane. This is how does it look. So all people who need to change one lane to another lane, they are going into such tunnels, and through such tunnels they will reach to the lane which they need. And I'm exactly on the central metro station called Kyiv. This is the one, and now I will be going up. So that's how does it look.